Seymour, Utah for 3 days. It was supposed to be a one-night stop, but I think earlier in the video I was telling you about the car. So yes, we're here one night, but had to extend it another 2 nights because, as I explained about the car and everything. So we had got the car looked at. They had done what I said they did in that afternoon we first arrived. And then we were having dinner that night, and I was looking at places to stay in the next stop. And Rich was like, what about if we kind of stay here, ask them tomorrow to do the work that needs, the basic work that needs doing, because there's still more work that needs doing, and then just stay here. Because it was nice. It had all the amenities. They actually opened the pool yesterday, which wasn't open the whole time. And then they had pickleball, which Brody was loving. And they had like this big pool clubhouse, which was brand new. And it was really nice, actually. Fillmore, Utah is a really cute little town. Not a lot going on, but really cute. So, yeah, very good food at the place that we stayed at. We went to Cliffs or Cluffs Food. It was really cute little, like, just a little building, like nothing of it, but very popular with the locals. So, really good place to stop. And just a cute little place, and the people at the mechanics were really nice as well. So, yeah, so that was, I think, was that Tuesday? And then Wednesday, yeah, they did the work for the car, a couple hours. We just stayed there while they got it done. We stayed at the van and just did what we needed to do for the morning. And then they did what they did and were with the truck again. So now today's Thursday. We're off to now more southern Utah, so St. George area, Washington area of Utah. We're not doing as many miles each time just because we're trying to be easy on the truck until we get back to California. We have the truck booked in California on Monday, so hopefully we get back by then. We got a couple more stops to go to get back. So that's where we're at, and I'm just showing you the nice scenery of Utah. Utah's beautiful. It is, I think, really nice what we've seen of it. Obviously, it's got all the state parks, national parks, which we'll have to come back and look at some point. But now, at this point, we're just ready to get the truck somewhere to get it sorted so we can get on with things. So, yeah, another day, some more scenery, some more mileage. Right, so we just got to St. George, Utah. That's a cute little, like, store here. We just went in there and got some ice cream. Brody's got cookies and cream, so does Rich. It's really cute here. We're just walking down, like, the old historic downtown of St. George right now. Yeah, it's really nice. It's very hot today. So ice cream is perfect, isn't it, Brods?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really cute around here. We're just gonna go down here to this little town square, see what's going on. Oh, splash pad to the left, kids.
Oh yeah, I can see it from in.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh wow, that looks nice and refreshing, Brods. Yeah, finish your ice cream. Oh, nice. This is.
Wait, that's not a dinosaur, that's a dragon.
It's a dragon.
It's not a dinosaur. It's a dragon, not a dinosaur.
Yeah, look, water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water!
Is that exciting, Mads? Hi. The kids are loving this little splash pad. So if you're ever in St. George, Utah, come to the old historic downtown and go to the splash pad in town square. It's so cute.
Sorry.
fountain. Was that funny?
I touched it! I got it!
Madison, is that funny? Yeah. Careful, Rich. Get sprayed by the big one. Yeah.
Yeah, I see you still laugh.
It's the next day and we have made our way to Las Vegas and we're actually just pulling into the Hoover Dam, but I was gonna film in that while we're there, but just this through lane here, Rich. But I had to stop and film right away as we're entering because we have just been stopped by security. Of course, had to be us, stopped by security. Checked all this in the back of the truck. Rich is sweating. But I think what it was is the lady at the gate said, oh, any drones, any firearms? And he went, haha, no, and laughed. She was like, go, lane 3, get security check. So I think Rich got us into trouble there by laughing. But it's just weird for us to be asked, I guess, have you got any firearms? Like, obviously not. Why would we bring that to the Hoover Dam? Who knows?
Mama,
But anyway.
You're acting like you have blasters in the back.
Yeah. Well, it made you nervous. But anyway, we're at the Hoover Dam now. We parked up at our place and left the trailer, and we're not just gonna go have a little look at the Hoover Dam.
Dam to the left.
Oh, look at it.
Look at it. Look at that. What a great view. Can you see all that, Mary?
Yeah.
Look at the bridge.
Wow.
Oh, that bridge is freaky, man.
No, I'm not going on that bridge. Are we going on that bridge?
No.
I think that's where you parked up there and then walked across the bridge where we just passed that parking.
There's people on it.
Well, yeah, that's where they just parked up there and then you can walk across the bridge.
So where are we going?
I don't know, down to the dam. No.
Oh, so you can park down here then?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you have to pay to park down
I think you
here?
have to pay. It's parking.
What does the orange light mean, Mary?
Yes.
What is this place?
No more parking, do you?
I don't know, girl. Okay, so we just parked the car and we're just walking now down to the Hoover Dam a bit. Excited to do an excursion because we haven't really done one since we picked up the trailer, so over a week ago. So we are on our way to see what this has in store for us. We're excited. I think this is on Rich's little master to-do list, so take another one off. So here we go. Oh, there you go, ladies. There's a water flying through this pipe.
Oh, is this the pipe they were talking about?
Yeah, there's water flowing through this at great pace. Now we're literally under the Hoover Dam right now. We just went to the plant, which I've just shown you. But this is us walking back to the lift, which is, I guess, under the Hoover Dam. Like, it's literally so cool. Madison's enjoying herself.